I wanted to do a quick video to show you a problem that we're having with the cluster for a BMW 1 Series. It's an F40 model and it's from 2019 to the current years. So the problem we have with this unit here is the gauges are not lighting up. So if you could see in the background, you could actually see the outline of the gauges, but they're not actually lighting up. So in the dark, you can't actually see what speed you're doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this over to the techs. They're going to do their work on it and see if they could repair the gauges on the unit, and I will come back to you and let you know the final result. So the cluster's come back from the techs as repaired, so let's have a look what it looks like. So I've just switched it on there. So as you can see, the gauges are now all nicely lit as it should do, and they've had it on soak test and they said everything's working and it's not gone off in any way. So there you go. So if you have any repairs that need doing, or you have any clusters that need looking at, I just wanted to mention this one we can actually do in 24-48 hours. So if you could even just drive over to us, give us a cluster, we'll repair it, give it back to you, and you can get on your way. As usual, if you like videos like this, please like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.